In today's episode, I'm starting a new project, the breakfast area. So if you're interested in seeing how and what I did, you know what to do. Stick around. All right, getting ready to start on the dining room or the breakfast area. I've emptied everything out. I'm gonna sweep the floor and I'm gonna put plastic down because I'm gonna paint the ceiling. I'm gonna take that vent down and take it outside and spray it. And that ceiling fan that I hate so much is coming down. I'll take you down next, so that way when I paint the ceiling, I don't have to worry about it. I think I'm gonna put it on eBay or something and sell that light. It's a good ceiling fan. I just don't like it. Maybe it'll be somebody else's taste. I don't like it. It works fine. But anyway, I'm gonna paint the ceiling. And then once I paint the ceiling, I have some items I'm gonna put in here and freshen up the breakfast area some. I'm still looking for these frames. I ordered these frames and they wasn't like what I thought they were. I sent them back. So I'm gonna look for something different to put in here. I wanted to make it my own. I'm still looking at crown molding to put at the ceiling top. I still want to do that. So I'm gonna price out the crown molding to get it put up. So we're getting ready, y'all. Okay, I thought I had filmed the part where I put down the plastic and bought the paint and stuff in, but I didn't. So here I am starting with the task of painting. Now I still have this little gadget I got at Home Depot to get the edges because I don't want to get paint on the wall that's already painted. Trust me, I'm not a professional painter because I do have some spots that I will need to touch up on the wall, but just wanted to let you know that tad bit information. Don't mind the family room. Everything from the breakfast area has now taken home in the family room. So it's going to be junky until I finish painting and getting everything put back together.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Hey, can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
Okay, second coat is done. So I'm gonna give it a minute and then I'm gonna get to the window sills in here and get them painted. I don't think I'm gonna need a third coat. I think the second coat is doing pretty good in here. So I'm gonna let it dry and I'll think about that. But I am gonna clean the window sills and clean inside the window there and paint those sills because they are the yellowish color that was on when we first moved here, and I want them to match the white on the baseboards. So that'll be next. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.